Hello, this is Bino. Welcome back to my channel. Today what I wanted to do is talk about my cold steel tomahawks. Actually, I got these for Christmas, and my son's got a couple of knives a few years back from Cold Steel. And today what I want to do is build a knife throwing board. Let's get to it. So here's a real quick sketch of what I decided to do. It's going to be an A-frame construction. I'm going to put the plywood on the 2x4s and connect the rounds to the plywood. So what I did is I went over to Home Depot and I got two 10-foot 2x4s. They cut them in half for me. And these 2x4s, 2 feet 2x4s, I got 3 of them. They come that way. And this piece of plywood was already pre-cut. It's 2 feet by 4 feet. So I'll make an A-frame construction and put the plywood on. And then I'll get these rounds over here. A perk of working in the tree field. Got these from work. They're about 3-inch diameter by about 2 feet rounds. I think they'll be great for a throwing board. All right, here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get these brackets and I'm going to build a frame, the 2x4 frame. All right, here I go. So now I got half of the frame done. So now what I'm going to do is flip this over and mount them onto those 2 brackets. Alrighty. So now that I connected the frame together with the brackets, now I'm going to put this piece on right here, the plywood, and drill it all the way on so it's solid. So now what I'm going to do is use these drywall screws to mount the board onto the frame. So now that I've already mounted the plywood to the frame, I've put the legs on with some clamps to see how the angle that I want it, and I think this is what I'll do. I think I need to cut a piece of the back corner off just so it's more solid. So what I'm going to do is take these 2 pieces off, cut a little corner off, get it close, and then bolt it together. Okay. So now I've made the cuts that I want. They're a little off, but I don't think it matters so much. I'm gonna detach this and mount it with the bolts on the board now. So the next thing that I'm going to do is get this brace to brace up the leg and put it between. Probably just use a drywall screw just to brace it up. And then I'm going to have to figure out something from here to here. All right, here we go. All right, now we got all the braces on and the legs, so we're going to take it over to the spot we want it. I'm going to lay the wedges on the rounds on the ground, place this on top, and with deck screws I'll screw them in. Okay.
That looks good.
Seems like it's gonna work. All right, here we go, the finished product. So now we're gonna go give it a whirl. We're gonna throw a couple of Tomahawks at it and a couple of cold steel hand throwing knives. We haven't done it in a while, so we're not too hopeful, but let's give it a try anyhow. Hey, let me try the knives real quick.
Yeah.
It's been a while. I'm not sure. I'm not too hopeful with the knife. Huh? I'll try for the lower board. It feels good though. Nasty. Ha! I got one in. Whew. I like that.
Sure.
Oh. Ooh, it looked like it was about there. All right. Try. All right. Good one. All right. Ooh. Woohoo! Between the boards. That was nice. So there you go. Our axe and knife throwing board made from scratch. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So like always, comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you like what we do. And by all means, share our videos. All right, take care.